V8 vegetable juice before? Well, I'm going to supercharge that and make a V12 vegetable juice for you today. So if you look down here, I have some absolutely beautiful fresh produce ready to go. If you count them, you'll find 12 different vegetables there. You may call the tomato a fruit and capsicum obviously, but we're still calling it a V12 vegetable juice. I'm using the Greenstar Elite Juicer. This is the juicer I use at home. It's absolutely awesome. It's the best juicer I've ever used for juicing hard vegetables and greens. So I'm going to turn it on. I'm going to add in some celery. Not a problem for Greenstar. We're going to put in some carrot. You can put the whole carrot straight in. I've got some capsicum there. I'm going to put in some tomato. Powerhouse of energy tomato. Some beautiful beetroot. Really earthy tone, very, very good for you. I've got some radish, okay, that's really good. That's going to give you a good energy boost. I've got some beautiful fresh ginger. Put the skin in and all, not a problem for it. And I've got some turmeric here. And you notice the juice just comes straight out the bottom and the pulp will be expelled out here. This is really, really dry. Squeeze that, you're not going to get any liquid out of there. Now I've got some kale. Nice dark leafy green. Just feed that through. Some beautiful spinach filled with iron, so good for you. Good energy boost. Some fresh parsley from my garden this morning, my herb garden, and I've got some beautiful spicy oregano straight out of my herb garden as well. That's it, ladies and gentlemen, it's that simple. I've just made 1 full litre here. Look at that, looks like a bit of a rainbow colour on top, absolutely beautiful. That's the fresh kale, spinach, beetroot, radish, carrot, well the list goes on. A little stir. That's going to put hairs on your chest, absolutely. That is delicious. Try that at home, it's really going to give you a good energy boost. Happy juicing!